future makers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. To learn a language is to open a window with which you can look at the world. Many of you have watched our video on how to improve spoken English, and then too we receive comments like, "Ma'am, I'm doing all the things that you've told me to do, still my English is not improving. What could be the reason?" And to answer that, in today's video, we are going to mention 5 factors because of which your English is not improving. If you are someone who's really keen on learning English language, then you must watch today's video because you might never know which mistake you could be making subconsciously or consciously. And now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The number one reason why your English is not improving is because you do not apply what you learn. There are many people who purchase books, who read books, who try to take courses in English, but if they do not apply what they have learned, everything boils down to nothing. There are many students who take the dictionary in their pockets because they are really keen on learning English. But what is the use of learning that word if you cannot apply it in real life? Remember when we were kids and we were taught new words, we were taught the word, its meaning, and then we were given homework to form a sentence from that word. You have to do exactly that. As soon as you learn a new word, look out for its meaning and use it at least 3 to 5 times in the same day so that subconsciously that word fits in your mind. You could try and use that word while communicating with your loved ones, or you could also try and journal every day about all the new words that you've learned and what's its meaning. Alternatively, you could also try and record yourself while telling the word its meaning and a sentence which has that word. This will make you excited about learning an application every day. These were a few suggestions from our side on how to apply what you learn. If you have any other things in your mind, kindly comment down. The second reason why your English might not be improving is because you are not consistent. I know it may sound harsh, but I want to tell you that overnight success is not a thing. You have to work hard continuously and persistently towards your goal to achieve success. Motivation comes and goes, but habit stays with you forever. So you have to make it a habit to learn that language and make it a part of your system unless you're perfect with talking in English. I think it's high time that you stop having your Snapchat streaks and start having learning streaks on apps like Duolingo. करके देखो यार, अच्छा लगेगा. The third reason why your English is not improving is that you are scared of making mistakes. Understand that mistakes are a part of your life. No matter what you are learning and what you are doing, there are high chances that you might make mistakes because at the end of the day, even you are a human. We have to agree that mistakes are a part of our life. I know that there are many grammar Nazis out there who are waiting for you to make a mistake and point it out to you, but learn from them also, yeah? Take them as your well-wishers. Whatever they say, try and consider it in your vocabulary and do not make that mistake again. That's how you learn. So from now on, you have to stop focusing on being perfect and start speaking whatever little English you do. The fourth reason why your English is not improving is because you lack proper guidance. Whenever we have to learn something new, we are very determined on day one. But जैसे जैसे दिन जाते हैं, all the motivation goes up. This happens because you are not very keen on learning it and making it a long-term habit for yourself. You must have a plan and you have to stick to the plan throughout the year. Many people are clueless about what steps to take while talking in English. But it's 2022 and the internet is full of resources. Depending on your curiosity and your searchability, you can actually find a perfect person who could guide you. I'll link a few YouTube channels in the description box who teach you how to talk in English very smoothly. So it'll be better if you look out for such resources and have a timely schedule for yourself. Bonus tip over here will be to have a study buddy so that you both are in this goal together, and if one of you forgets, the other one reminds you. This could be great because anything that's done together is always better. The fifth reason why your English is not improving is because you are missing out on the advantages of reading books. Reading books is one of the most underrated techniques to improve any language. Right to understanding how to structure a sentence to expanding your vocabulary, reading is something that really helps you improve your language. I am an avid reader and reading is my daily habit. My favorite genre is self-help books and I keep on reading them to gain some motivation. I've already shared a few videos in the past about my book recommendations. You could check out if you want to. But if you're really interested in improving your language, then reading is a habit that you must integrate. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that there is no shortcut or mystery involved while it comes to learning English. While learning English seems to be like a cakewalk, there could be many factors that could be hindering your progress while learning English. Now that we have pointed it out all for you, I hope your journey is really smooth. But please remember, continuous learning is the only requirement to get success in any field. So keep practicing and keep learning. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us what other topics you want us to cover and we'll make videos for you. Share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of our Future Makers family. See you soon.